How to make money trading if you have only $10 or less money in your pocket? Yeah, you got me, right? Exactly $10. It seemed that almost impossible to make a profit with such capital. But today I will try to multiply my balance on buying options platform. Show you what strategy can be suitable for this. I want to make good profit with a start bounce of $10. And in this video, I will tell you the main secrets and show you what you need to do to earn more from bound balance. So now I just repeat my settings, repeat my actions, learn from my mistake and watch this video to end the end. Let's start the trade sessions. So just come with me and do this together. It's a matter of 1 second and maybe some of my videos would change your life. For such a small balance, I use a quick strategy the time frame of the candles in 50 seconds. In the indicators section, I will include the fractal and 2 moving average lines. Alright? I use this only 3 indicators to find profitable signals. Yeah, only these three indicators. Today in the fractal, alright, I will set up the period on 3, okay, the style just left with the default, just click on save. Right now, let's go to the first move average, period on 4, simple moving average, the style I like to use whites, 2 on thickness, okay, just set this. The second moving average, you're gonna use 8 on period, simple moving average, alright? And style, I like to use pink and 2 on thickness. And now that all indicators are set up, I can scroll, chart and currency pairs and look for interesting situations. Today I will trade on all currency and cryptocurrency stock with currency, live currency. It does make a difference for us, alright? So just let's get started and try to then find a good opportunity for us. Okay, I'll be back soon with our first entry. So just stay tuned on it. Alright? Alright guys. Right here we have this red fractal. That means for us an uptrend, okay? And we're gonna use together with the crossing line on moving average. We got the white one crossing through my pink one. That means for us an uptrend. Okay? That means that I'm gonna click on the buy button to make this one. Alright? And don't forget it. All the time, I just let you use 1 minute. Okay? Hey! Do you want to join a group where share signals and strategies that really work? And the best part, it's completely free. Then listen up. In my free group, I share various strategies, insights, and live operations. 100% real and transparent. I will never ask you for money and won't spend anything to join. Alright? Want to learn how to earn more with operations? Click the link in the description or the first pinned comment and join the group now. See you there, guys. Guys, I'm showing this because I have a lot of beginners without capital, and this is a good feature to get started. And so the expiration time for the forecast will be 1 minute. I just use $8, okay, for this for first entry. So pay attention when you get the crossing line, it's very important. Okay, just take a look on it. When you get this red fractal, we can use this. My white one is 4 on period, okay? And my pink one is with 8 on period. So try to not make mistake with this, both lines of moving average. This is very important. Alright? And guys, look this. We got this one $15.36. Yeah. It's really good start, okay? So let's wait for this and try to then find another good opportunity. But right now, I just gonna use $10, okay? All right, another good situation for us is the same scenario. Got the red fractal. That means for us an uptrend. Yeah, okay. So that means that we have 4 seconds to click on the buy button again to make the other entry. Okay, let's wait for the next candle. 10 seconds, 9 seconds, and click on the buy button. It's very important. Okay. So let's wait for this and click. All right. Guys, I think you understand the meaning of this strategy. Really simple method. But now let's talk about the rules. All right. There's fast strategy and everything changes every 15 seconds. Very, very often beginners make mistake when opening a trade. The most important thing is to get a good entry point. And in order for you to do this, you need to take your time when the line crosses. Alright? So pay attention on it. You need to wait at least 5 or 10 seconds or 30 seconds to make sure to open trade, because sometimes it can be a fake signal and the moment of candles will go against you. I won't be able to give your persistent wise because only get it with practice. Okay, you need to gain experience and repeat this. All right, and now look this 19 of 20 cents, and yeah, my balance, look this, is 26.56 cents. All right, look at this, 26. Okay. All right, so one more signal, okay? Everything works the same. So I do everything according to the instruction. And let's try to then find another entry for us, or third entry on this one. All right, so I'm back soon, guys. All right, guys, now we have a different situation. We got green fractal. Okay, that means for us a downtrend. So we need to click on the sell button. And look at this, we got the same crossing line. Alright? So click on it and let's wait for the results. Alright? So we're back soon. Alright guys, 5 seconds remaining. And boom, we got this again. 19-20 cents of dollar. Right? This is a good profit. 3 trades in a row and I made the profits. And my balance is already $35.76. I could stop, my friend. I really could stop. But I want to take the risk 2 or 3 more times. Okay? Now I want to give you a couple of throws about the balance and money management. Some of you think that if I made 35 out of $10 right now, and you can earn it 12,000 out of 3,000 in a 10 or 20 minutes. And theoretically, this is true, but the chance that you will do this is very, very small because it's a risk trade. All right. Today I'm risk my entire bounce and multiply amounts. I'm not afraid to lose this money, and I try to catch it at the win strike. This is a good option when you have a little money and you can't afford to play with bounce like that. But if you want to trade steadily and understand what is going on, you better choose a long strategy and better analysis. In general, this method is good to multiply the bonus and try your luck. Okay? If it's it to you, then use this with a small amount. Alright? So don't forget it. Okay, this is very important to take a good risk management. And again, I'll try to then find another entries. So let's do this. All right, the same situation here. We have the red fractal, the crossing line and uptrend, so I click on the buy button, okay, and let's wait for the results. All right, 5 seconds remaining, okay, and boom, $38, guys, and look at this. All right, it's very amazing, okay. Let's try to do one more. All right, our last entry for this video, the same situation, red fractal, an uptrend, okay. With $20, I'm gonna click on the buy button again. All right. So let's wait for this, guys. I'm back soon with the results. All right, 5 seconds again, just remaining. And look at this, $38 again of profits. And so what can I say, my friends? My balance is more than $72. I earned this money with a starting capital of $10. I completely multiply my balance in a few minutes. So I will not say that it's a stable strategy. It's a guaranteed strategy, but it's definitely a good method to multiply capital and play with the sums. Play with the bounce, all right? So is that, guys. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope it's really useful for you. Try this video and write real results in the comments. Try to use this strategy. So act right now. I wish you good luck. I wish you good profits, good trade sessions, and see you soon, guys, on the next live and the next video. All right, see you, have a good day, bye bye.